Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss how we can find the total resistance of this type of circuit that combine with a series resistors in series and in parallel. So if you see these two are in parallel, let me change the color to be a little bit more clear. So these two are in parallel and these two are in parallel. And after finding the total of these two and these two, and then we see this circuit is going to be a series uh, for these three resistors. So let me redraw this circuit with calculated parallel resistors. So we can get this circuit, and I'll demonstrate here how we can calculate the resistors in parallel. And so this is a 2 ohm and this is a 5 ohm. And to calculate these two, which are from the calculation of these two. So you can use this equation for two parallel resistor. Is easy. R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. But the general formula is R total equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. And if you see, I have another video discussing the equations in parallel and series in more detail. So let me how we can plug these numbers. It's 4 times 4, and here 4 plus 4 equals to 16 over 8, and we have a 2. So the resistance of these two parallel is, let me change the color. It's nice to have a different color. And let's see how we can calculate these two. And again, we use the same equation. If we just plug the numbers, we have a 3 times 5, and 3 plus 5, we have 15 over 8, which is 1.875 ohm, and this is a 1. And here we can write it down, 1.875 ohm. And let me clear here a little bit and see how we can find the total resistance of the circuit. All right, so as you see, these three are in series. So in resistors in series, we just add them simply together, like R total equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and so forth. For these three, we have a R equals to 2 plus 5 plus 1.875, and we have 8.875 ohm for these three. If we redraw that, I think we less likely make a mistake. So we get this circuit, and as you see, these two are in parallel, and we can use the, so this is a 8.875 and this is a 2 ohm, and we can use the same equation for two single parallel resistors, which is R1 multiply R2 divided by R1 plus R2. And here we have, let me change the color, 2 times 8.75 and 2 plus 8.70. Oh, I'm sorry for my mistake. I have an 8 here. 8.875 and 8.875. And let me punch this to calculator and what we get. So I got the value of 1 ohm. So the total resistance of this circuit is 1. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it's useful.